In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Slack workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to accept an invitation from your inbox and get yourself into the right workspace without any confusion. First, start by opening Gmail in your browser or the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the same email account where you expect to receive the invitation. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the profile icon to confirm you're in the right inbox. This helps you avoid hunting around later or clicking a link sent to a different address. Next, look for the email that contains your Slack invitation. It usually mentions that you've been invited to join a Slack workspace and may include the organization's name in the subject line. If you don't see it in your primary inbox, check your promotions, updates, or spam folders. A quick search for Slack or the organization's name can save time. Also, make sure the email looks legitimate. It should clearly reference Slack and the team that invited you. If anything feels off, reach out to your contact at the organization to confirm they sent an invite. And if the invite is older, keep in mind that some links expire. The sender can always resend a fresh one. Once you've opened the invitation email, find the Join button within the message. It may read Join Now or Join Workspace. Click that button to proceed. This will open a new tab in your browser and take you directly to Slack's secure page for your invitation. From there, Slack will guide you through the rest on screen. If you already use Slack, it will recognize your email and help connect you to the new workspace. If you're new, Slack will walk you through the basics of getting set up. You don't need to memorize anything here, just follow the prompts you see. A few quick tips to make things smoother. If clicking the button doesn't work, try copying the invite link from the email and pasting it directly into your browser's address bar. Make sure your browser is up to date and disable any aggressive pop-up blockers temporarily if the page doesn't load. If the link says it's expired or invalid, ask the person who invited you to send a new one. On mobile, tapping the Join button will open the Slack app if it's installed. Otherwise, it will open in your mobile browser and still work just fine. That's it. Open Gmail, open the invitation email, and click Join. Once you've done that, Slack's